Hello, my name is Ralph Kuster. I'm the ISS teacher this year. ISS stands for In-School Suspension, so I'll be the teacher that students will come to when they need a timeout from their regular classes. I've been at South Belton for 3 years now, and I'm the proud father of 3 daughters who are all already finished with college, so that should give you some hint just how old I am. Okay, I want you to take a look at the classroom. You'll notice that there's only chairs in every other desk. This is in order to maintain safe social distancing. Okay, I've got books at the desk that the students will not sit at. The best way to contact me is going to be through email. My email address is ralph.kuster@bisd.net. That's ralph.kuster@bisd.net. I will not have anything to do with calculating your student's grade, although the students will be completing work in my classroom that has been given to them by their regular classroom teachers. I will then return the work that they've done to their regular teachers for grading at the end of each day. Okay? Have yourself a wonderful day now. Thank you and bye.